Okay, so we're going to take a look at how to take a quiz on your online course through your courses. I'm at my main page. I'm going to go into this example course. And over here on the right hand side under activities, there's quizzes. So I'll click that. And let's try test. And attempt quiz now. So you can see, just like a normal multiple choice, you can click one. I'm going to click blue. Finish attempt. And my answer is saved. And I'm going to go submit all and finish if I'm done. Once you submit, you'll no longer be able to change your answers. So had I wanted to change an answer, I could go return to attempt. Finish attempt. Now I'll submit all and finish. And there we have it. So it shows that I finished this quiz at this time. No more attempts allowed. I'll go back to the course, and that's it. Now if I want to see what grade I got on the quiz, maybe some time has passed and we know grades are posted now, I can go over to the left hand side here and click quizzes, and now I'll see if it's been graded. My grade would show up here.